Hello storyboarders, my name is Eric and today I'm going to show you how to make a first day of school worksheet using one of Storyboard that's pre-made templates. So let's get started. Now a first day of school worksheet can really be whatever it is that we want. And we have a whole bunch of great options, but I really like this rainbow one, so we're going to go with this. Just click the copy template button that's right below, and this will bring us directly into the Storyboard Creator, which will then ask us to give our template a name. Now you can call yours whatever you would like. I'm just going to call mine template 1 and click continue. Alright, now it's time for us to customize our worksheet. This is where we get to add characters, items, scenes, update the text, whatever it is we want to do. So for my worksheet here, I think I want to have this about what kids did over their summer break and what they hope to learn. So we're going to need a character to fill this out. So let's go up to our characters menu and let's go into the kids category and let's find a kid who is ready for their first day. Alright, I think this kid is pretty good. So to add a character, just drag and drop them into the storyboard. And now we get to customize. This is where we get to update facial expressions, poses, change any colors, whatever it is we want to do. All right, now with your character all set, just click update pose. And there we go. Now you can move your character anywhere you would like within your storyboard, as well as resize them. Just drag the corner of the image, and there we go. Now I want this character to be within this one box, so let's crop them. So with our character selected, let's go to our crop menu, our crop tool, and let us trim this down. Now we have this nice transparency, so I can see where I want to line this up. I want it to be within this text box that says name. So let's just drag the corner of the bottom of this box. Let's line it up here, and when we're all set, just click OK. All right, perfect. Now our character is within that one box. Now next we're going to go over text. Now you can edit any of the pre-existing text boxes. All you have to do is select one and you can put in your own words. So our first question is, what did you do this summer? All right, and it looks like, I had to put in a capital H in what? So let's just retype that. All right, perfect. Now I think this is a nice font. I think it's fun, but I want something that's a little bit easier to read. So to change the font, just highlight what you would like to change and then go over to your text editor. And let's go with this font right here. That looks pretty easy to read, but that's a little big, so let's make it a touch smaller. So we'll select our font size here, go with 14. All right, and that looks pretty good. Now let's put in one more question. Let's go over here and let's type in, what do you hope to learn? Or what do you want to learn this year? All right, now we're going to match our font and our text size. So we're going to highlight what we want, select that font, and change the size. All right, and there we go. Now next we're going to go over scenes. Now let's put in a location for where this kid went over their summer break. So let's go up to our scenes menu, and let's go over to historical. I think we can find a really cool scene in there. Now we have a lot of great options to choose from. And we can scroll for a while, or we can go over to our filters and select one of these to help narrow down the search. So let's go to landmarks, and let's go with this Great Sphinx of Giza. That's really cool. All right, just drag and drop, and there we go. Now, if we wanted this to be the background image, all we would have to do is go to our right-hand menu and click Stretch to Fill, and we can select any one of these options. So if we were to select crop to fill, that would fill the entire frame. But I don't want to do that, so let's undo it. So just go to your right-hand menu and click undo. All right. Now we're just going to put it in this box and we'll just stretch it down manually, like our character. So grab the corner, bring it down a little bit, and I think that looks okay. All right, but it is a little bit longer and it's going into this text box here. So we can either crop it down, or we could just simply select this text box and bring it all the way to the front. There we go. That's much easier. All right, now for this question, what do you want to learn this year? Let's find a textbook that matches the subject of what they might want to learn. So we'll go over items. So if we go up to our items menu, we can browse any one of these really fun categories. But if there's something specific that you want, all you have to do is search in the upper right-hand search menu. Just type it in and you should be able to find it. So let's go over to our schools category. And we have a lot of great school items here. I think we can find a book that works. All right, we have this book that I can only assume is about geometry. So let's just drag it down, and there we go. Let's make it a little bit bigger. All right, I think that looks pretty good. Now, when you're all done making the changes to your worksheet, all you have to do is click the orange Save and Exit button in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. And that is how you make a worksheet using Storyboard That. Thanks for watching, and happy storyboarding.